Good morning, Global Studies students. Welcome to October 8th through the 14th. As always, here is your weekly introduction. Let's start by going through the instructions. As you know, when you click on those, you can see what's going on for the week. So here we go. Today, we are going to be shifting gears. Really, you should not be working too much on the essay. If you are, do it on your own time, but there is still stuff and new stuff you have to be working on for Global. So let's talk through our week. Today, we are going to start something called Adopt a Country. All right, you are going to basically be choosing a country that you want to study all year. I will create another video that looks at this. Tomorrow, Friday, there are two big things that are due. Number one, your final draft of your global essay is due at 11:59. You need to make sure that this is shared with your English teacher, and if you have communications, it needs to be shared with them as well. Also, your CNN is due. Again, that's 4 episodes you've watched from last week and this week and written the reflections on. We are going to continue with our Adopt a Country, as you can see, all right, and some instructions, so make sure you follow these. Monday, we are going to begin something called an Adopt a Country postcard, where you are going to be promoting some tourism and some fun facts about the country that you've chosen to study. We will work on that Tuesday as well. Wednesday of next week, there is no school, all right, but your job is to look at the postcard. And then next Thursday and Friday, you do not have school either. It is MEA break, so no assignments will be given during that. So this is a quick look at the week. Again, you will find 2 more videos being made. You'll find one about Adopt a Country, and you'll find one about the postcard for next week. So please make sure that you have those and you're watching those. Have a wonderful week, 8th graders.